Hello, good morning friends. I am Shalik Katane, working as a subject assistant at DAT Gondia. Today we will learn about subject science and the topic is nutrients.
Six main nutrients in your food. They are carbohydrates, fats, proteins, fiber, minerals and vitamins. In this video, we take only three first nutrients for study, that are carbohydrates, fats and protein. Carbohydrate. Our main need is of energy. It is fulfilled by carbohydrate. Hence, our diet includes a large proportion of cereals in the form of rice, chapati or roti, bhakri and bread, which contain carbohydrates. Cereals are our staple food. Carbohydrates. Carbohydrates, energy giving nutrients. These are the examples of carbohydrates. Rice. These rice, in daily life we eat these rice. Next one, chapati. In your diet, in daily diet, we eat chapati also. This is bhakri. We eat bhakri also. Next is bread. Bread also give us carbohydrates. In your daily needs, we eat bread also. This one, cereals. In your daily life, we eat cereals. Next is fat. Some part of our energy requirement is also fulfilled by fatty foods such as oil, ghee and butter. We get energy in the form of heat from the food we eat. Heat is measured in kilocalories, hence the energy in food items is also measured in kilocalories. Children of growing age need to get approximately 2000 to 2500 calories from the food they eat. In the figure, these are the examples of fats. These are oily atoms. This is oil, butter also. Proteins. We need proteins for the purpose of growth, repairing the wear and tear of the body, and for other life processes. Then, what are the sources of protein? We get protein from the sprout, milk and milk products, meat and eggs in our body. Now let's see in this picture. This is the milk product. These are sprouts. This is milk. This is meat of fish and this is eggs. When we eat these foods, we get protein. Therefore, these are the essential for our body. Now, minerals and vitamins. To improve the body's resistance to disease and for other life processes, the body needs vitamin, minerals and fibers in the diet. We obtain these nutrients mainly from vegetables and fruits. In our daily life, we take food. In our food, we take many types of vegetables and we eat fruits. All types of vegetables and fruit gives us vitamin, minerals and fibers. We require vitamins and minerals in small quantities, but their deficiency can lead to various diseases. Means our body requires vitamin and minerals in small quantity, but these small quantity are very important to lead various diseases. The body needs several inorganic substances. They are called minerals. the various sources of minerals as well as the disease caused by their deficiency. Now vitamins. Vitamins are of two types, water soluble vitamins and water insoluble vitamins. First we see water soluble vitamins. Vitamin B and vitamin C dissolve easily in water, so they are called water soluble vitamins. They are thrown out of the body through the water in sweat and urine. Hence, a regular supply of these vitamins is essential. B1, B2, B3, B6, B9 and B12 are the important type of vitamin B. Next, water insoluble vitamins. These vitamins are insoluble in water but are soluble in fatty substances. They get stored in the body. Vitamin A, vitamin D, vitamin E and vitamin K are fat soluble in vitamins. Means in our body there are two type of vitamins. One is water soluble vitamins, insoluble vitamins. But water insoluble vitamins soluble in fatty substances. Thanks friends for watching this video.